Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut transition tutorial. So here I'm gonna give you a quick um, transition tutorial. So let's start it. So first thing is I'm gonna teach you about here is the pull in. So a lot of YouTube or TikTok videos use pull in. So pull in is how you basically do it. So check on the image, then check on the image. Let's say this image right here. All you need to do is um, choose that image, then click on transform. Then on transform, we need to put it right here at the end. Wait, sorry, not literally at the end, like there, but right nearly the end, like there, like that. Now we're gonna see, we're gonna make this a little bit much bigger. So it's what they use. So just do it on this tree. This one right here. Then transition right here. Then another one right near the end. Not literally the end, right near the end. We're just gonna zoom in like that, and then next image right here. There you go. That there, and then oh, wait. We're gonna put the other right one right here. One, we're gonna adjust it to make it like a zoom, like zoomed in. There you go. So now we're just gonna add the pull in. So this pull in tool is you need to have the Pro one, the CapCut Pro, but this one is free, so you can use this one. So we're gonna use this one right here. There you go. I just set it right there. Now once we play it, watch. There you go. There you go. As you can see, I like zooming in. If you want to make it like much more cooler, I suggest making the video a little bit much more short. But change this change this part right here. I'm gonna delete that part. So, but you need to change it. So like zoom it much more. Right. I'm gonna show you like that because it's much more cooler when it's like what do you call this? Say yeah, I think this zoom enough. Wait, we're gonna make it much bigger. I'm gonna go to the eye, so it's gonna look cool. So now, once we play it, see, there you go. Zooming in and zooming in, then once it's zoom in closer, it's gonna go there. So yeah, that's how you do it. And the few thing, the next popular thing um, that it's been using for transitions right here is the what we call the comic out. Comic out is like very trendy in few like a music videos or maybe some of that. So you can also do this like thing. You're gonna zoom in, as you can see right there. You're gonna zoom in. It's gonna zoom. You know, to add the transition like this, just click on transform the image and then do what I did earlier. And as you can see, it's gonna break. Once it's close enough, it's gonna break and gonna open. So yeah, so that is very useful. Transform is very useful even in this state. But a quick tip for you guys: make the video much more shorter. Then after it's short now, then transform it when it's short. What I mean is like it's like this, right? I'm gonna put it back to its original size. Let's say this is the image right here. You need to make it like about 1 second. 1 second is good enough. There you go. Let's just say that's 1 second. Let's see. And there we go. It's gonna look much more cooler. There you go. Then we're gonna apply the Comic Cut. See there. See, looks much more cooler. There you go. As you can see right there, Comic Cut. And we can also use the for the free version. One of the famous things here in the free version is black fade. So the black fade works like this. It's very black fade is very useful when you're making like a you call this um like a soft or maybe soft video, like a romantic video or maybe a memorable video, something like that. So there you go. It's very useful for those. So yeah, there you go. And there's so much more. So there you go. There's a lot of much more transition. We have the card unfold, switches, much more. Then a quick tip for you guys: the free version is the one without the diamond thing right there. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video because you enjoyed, and try to when making transition, try to go with the vibe of the video. Here we have some options here: new hits, overlay, light, camera, blur, basic, mask. There we go. We have options like that right there. There. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.